In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Mailchimp with Squarespace in a few simple steps. This is a great setup if you want to connect your website and email marketing, sync your store data, and make it easier to manage your audience from one place. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Mailchimp in your browser. Once you're on the Mailchimp dashboard, look for the Integrations option and click it. This is where Mailchimp lets you connect with other platforms and tools. Next, use the search bar and type Squarespace. You should see the Squarespace integration appear in the results. Click Squarespace Commerce to open the correct connection option. After that, click Connect. Mailchimp will now begin the setup process for linking your Squarespace account. On the next screen, click Continue. This will take you to the sign-in or authorization step, where you'll need to log into your account. Enter the account details for the Squarespace site you want to connect. Once you're signed in, you'll see a permission screen asking you to allow Mailchimp access. Carefully review the request, then click Allow to finish the connection. After that, Mailchimp and Squarespace will be linked and you can start using the integration for your marketing setup. This connection can help you manage contacts, improve your email workflow, and keep your business tools connected in one place. And that's it. You've now learned how to use Mailchimp with Squarespace. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy step-by-step tutorials.